there's a clown on this train on a green line. And that's St. Paul too. Never seen one of them before. I'm on YouTube. It's on YouTube. Man, it's a fucking clown on that shit. Got big great nose.
6:29. Head back now?
Hold up. It's a Hold up. The fuck is that clown doing? Hey, we're at? Are we at? Yeah, but this is our stop. And say bye to the clown. Bye, clown. Fuck. This nigga still on his phone. Marcus, you go get YouTube.
Connect here to these buses 16 and 83.
Hey, what the fuck am I about to name this shit for YouTube? This nigga on no fucking train, on his phone. I don't know doing what type of shit, but yeah. Get off the train. Bye bye to clown. Say bye clown.